I'm in the beach. How are you doing? Are you okay? Yeah, this is how the beach is, guys. This is a very nice evening where I'm taking a walk along the beach. Yeah, I just show you how the beach is. You'll see how the beach is. There's a very nice place. Here is in Diani, Congo, guys. You see? This is the Congo beach. It's a place to be. Yeah, right now I live in the coast, bro. I stay in Diani. I'm in Diani, North Coast. Yeah, here is North Coast, guys. Yeah, this is how beach is, guys. There's a lot of breeze. We are feeling better, guys. I'm just feeling better. You can just come and chill with me. Yeah, this is how beach is, guys, today. There's a lot of wind blowing, guys. So just keep on watching. It's so beautiful, you see. Yeah, this is how beautiful it is, bro. Very nice, very amazing, guys. Just keep on watching. You see this, how the beautiful is the beach, guys, today. Yeah, I normally do it every day. Yeah, you see this, how it is. I normally do it. When you look the other side, you'll see some shades. You'll see some shades. Yeah, there's some shades the other side. You see this, how it is. So it is, guys. Keep on watching. Yeah, this is how it is, guys. Keep on watching. It's so very beautiful. Yeah, put down your comment. Tell me how you are feeling and how you are getting the vibe. I also vibe with you guys. Just keep on watching. This Mugenda. Wow, thank you so much. I love to see you watching. Just keep on watching, guys. Just keep on watching. You see this, how beautiful is the beach, guys, today. Very nice, very nice. Put down your comment. Tell me how you are feeling. How you are getting the vibe. Excuse me. Hello. My name is Martha. Yeah. Guys, keep on watching. Keep on watching. Yeah, it's hard to just still vibing along. Yeah, guys. There's some guys. Yeah, you see, it's enjoying the kite surfing. Language? Language, which one? Diani, how are you? Are you fine?
Capisco.
Oh, no. Wow, Italian. Wow, ciao, nyatewa. Okay. Dali, bila kujikiteka nyatewa ma. Just put down your comment, tell me how you are getting the vibe. Because now I'm in the beach, guys. I'm in the beach. And this thing we do, what you see right now, I normally do it every day. Yeah, let me take you to the other side. You see, there's a fisherman. So just keep on watching. There's a lot of people. Yeah, you have to see me. Yeah, this side is called Congo River. Yeah, now I have already. Right now I'm in Congo River. Congo with K, no C. This place also in Diani. Yeah, this is Diani. This place also in Diani, no other than Diani. Yeah, you see there's a Maasai. There's a friend of mine who is Maasai. Yep. Yeah, there's a guy. You see this Maasai, he's my friend. Mera. Yeah, this Maasai. Ero. Ero Sopa, yeah. He's a friend of mine. You see. Let me take you, you see there. Yeah, that guy is going, it's Maasai. Yeah, he's a good friend of mine. Yeah, by the time I'm watching the other side we call River Congo. This is a place where there's a lot of people, tourists. Yeah, just came here to take the boat ride. Yeah, so right now I'm just taking you to the other side. You can ask any question. Yes, you have a lot of questions. You're gonna ask. I'll just give you the vibe and also tell you what is going on. Yeah, mine is Maka Mukenda. I'm the traditional instrumentalist, also musician. Yeah, put down your comment, ask any question, guys. By the time you're watching, yeah, you're watching Diani Beach. This is a very special evening where I just take you along. Yeah, I'm just taking you along the beach. Yeah, there's a lot of people who are just now going for boat ride, guys. So you have to see what is going on now. Activities that is now taking place here. Yeah, let me zoom for you because I'm away. I think if I zoom, you can see how they are going for boat right now. Yeah, you see. Yeah, I have already zoomed it. If you look the other side, see there's a lot of whites. They're going for boat ride, guys. Because right now the time is for boat ride session. Yeah. So just keep on watching. Keep on watching. I'm trying to zoom so that you can see. If you look the other side, there's some what now. Yeah, the other side is called Congo River. This is a Congo River side, guys. So just keep on watching. Watch. Tell me how you are feeling. Yeah, how you're getting the vibe. I think it will be something very unique, very nice. Okay. See, there's a lot of things happening here. Yeah, so those people are captains, guys. I know sometimes you can ask captains, guys. Keep on watching. You see, those are captains, guys. Please put down your comment, ask me any question. I'm here to answer your question, guys. Yeah, I'm here to answer your question. This is Diani Beach, guys. Keep on watching. This is Diani Beach. Keep on watching, guys. This is Maka Mukenda with some vibe. Yeah, I'm here in Diani. Just give you a vibe. You see how the beautiful is Diani, guys. Just keep on watching. I'm here with you, Maka Mukenda. Yeah, let me take you the other side so that you can see how they are going. Yeah, they are going, guys. Yeah, there's some who have already going. Now just keep on watching. Keep on watching, guys. You see how it is, guys. Today there's a lot of people who are going for boat ride, I think. A lot of people who are going for boat ride, guys. I think it will be very. You see, there's a place, guys. Keep on watching. You can ask any question concerning boat ride, please. If you have any question to ask right now, this is a boat ride session and sunset session also. Yeah, just keep on watching. Just keep on watching, guys. Yeah, there's a lot of captains. They're just chilling. Yeah, this is a time for their work. And you see, there's some more. Yeah. Omera. Dongani wa woki duogo. Yeah, so you see this how it is, guys. This war is going on here. I know you can be asking some question. Yeah, these are boats. We call them canoe boats. Yeah, when you look the other side, let me zoom for you. Yeah, I'm trying to zoom so that you can see, you can watch it. See how is beautiful this place. Yeah, sometimes I can't talk to you. Just think, yeah, this is how things happen. Yeah, that's my friend, bro. Yeah, keep on watching. Keep on watching, guys. This is how beautiful is the beach. Yeah, still we are in beach, guys. We are in the beach. Yeah, and also you have to see me. You have to watch me. It's Maka Mugenda. My name is Maka Mugenda. Maka with M-A-K-A space Mugenda. Please put down your comment. Yeah. Watch the vibe. Gonna watch the vibe. This is a time. This is a time. Keep on watching. Yeah, I'm zooming on both sides so you can see. Please, you can ask any question. Don't be worried. If you wanna know more, just continue. Yeah, with the vibe. Yeah, I say continue with the vibe. Yeah, now I want to sell my. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. Again, I'm here. I want to start vibing, guys, with the instrument called nyatiti. Yeah. Also, you can see the other side of the beach. You see how the beautiful is the beach, guys. Keep on watching. Yeah, you see how right now. Yeah, so right now, let me start with the vibe. Let me start the vibe, guys. Keep on watching. It's Maka Mugenda. Yeah, we have to start. Yeah, hello. How are you doing? Yeah. There's a lot of wind, guys. Going for boat ride, guys. You see them? They're going for boat ride. Yeah. Yeah, we have already started the Yeah. Are you dancing? Are you jumping? Are you enjoying the vibe? She was born late in the night. Her mother was a proud woman. She was. Are you enjoying the vibe? She was born late in the night. Yeah, keep on watching this marker, guys. It's a very nice evening. We have already started the session. We call it along the beach with Marka Mugenda, guys. It's a very special evening. Yeah, I'll just take you along. Keep on watching. This is a very special evening. Yeah, just put down your comment. Tell me how you are feeling, guys. How you are getting the vibe. Are you enjoying the vibe or you are not getting the vibe, guys? Remember, it's Marka, aka Space Mugenda, guys. That's my name, sir. Put down your comment. I don't see more comments. I don't know what's happening. Put down your comment. Yeah, you know, by the time you put down your comment, I know where I go wrong. I know where I am wrong. Yeah, keep on watching. Okay, the song is called Ubongo. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Ubongo, bless me. Bless me. Are you enjoying the vibe? Also remember to put down your comment, guys. Ubongo, bless me. Bless me. By the time I say Ubongo, I mean God. Yeah, I mean God. I'm just trying to communicate to God. Ubongo, bless me. Yeah.
But then it also makes
Tawoda kayoke pin kato na katare undaga. Yeah. Amani binya yo ikola chuma jam kanya chuma. Yes, brother. Mairo. Baba kiri, baba kiri, baba kiri. Baba. Yeah. Hey, hey. Obongo is God. I walk in Mona, don't you come? Yeah. Manjaka do what, nigga? Vile kanya saya Achandorai imamameti Nadum tangalali Aladum tangalali Aladum tangalali Moya Yeah Jambon Bye bye Bololo bye bye Moya bye bye I'm enjoying the vibe. Yeah. No, no, Yeah, guys, keep on watching this part. This is how we do it, guys. Yeah, continue watching, guys. Yeah. I wonder why nobody don't like me. Or is the fact that I'm so ugly? Yeah. I wonder why nobody don't like me. Yeah. My friend, they know what we do. When I talk, they start to sing. Yeah. Shut your mouth. Oh, away. I can't do and I just suffer. Yeah, due to the children's behavior. Mama, shut your mouth, go away. Go away! Shut your mouth, go away. I wonder why nobody don't like me. I wonder why nobody don't like me. Oh, it's the fact that I'm so ugly. I live my children don't want me no more. Yeah! Shut your mouth, go away, mama. Are you getting the vibe? I wonder why nobody don't like me. I wonder why nobody don't like me. No. Yeah! Wow! Hello. Yeah, it's Maka Mugenda. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Keep on watching, guys. This is Maka Mugenda with this nyatiti. Yeah, Maka Mugenda, guys. This is a very special evening. Yeah, in Diani beach. I'm in the beach, guys. Riding with you in the beach. Yeah, this is a very nice evening, guys. By the time I'm feeling your vibe, also, I know you are enjoying the vibe, guys. Please put down your comment, Omera. Put down your comment. Yeah. Even say hi. Yeah? You just watch about your body. Also, you have to say something like hi. How are you doing? Yeah? How are you doing, Omera? You have to say hi, something like hi. How are you doing? So that I also I'll be happy giving you this vibe, guys. The song is called Yakono. Yakono means that beautiful land. Yeah. Exactly. Because you know me, I live here. chiro. Ya nyako no gulonge marachano. Ya wana no nyako moro kato nyinga. Atoti. Egani. Yeah. Egani. Nyako no gulonge marachano. Nyako moro kato nyingenga ya nyingenga yeah nonge maracha we gonna zambe we gonna nyange yeah we gonna keep on watching, guys. This marker with Nyatiti Omera. The instrument is called Nyatiti. And this is an instrument from western part of Kenya. Omera. Let me continue with the vibe. Remember to put down your comment. Yeah. We gonna zombie. Mayo. Ini joluo. Bende haseko yeah. Mayo. Ini konyo joluo. Halo. Bende haseko yeah. Karabe. Yaoi karabe konyo karabe. Yeah. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. Yeah. Karabe, konyo kana. Mayo. Yeah. Iko zambe. Lande. Yeah. Wogurute, ojane wogurute, imaye at itiende mabiro bujo. Karabe, konyo kanda. Yeah. we go sambe. Hello. I have decided to follow Caesar. I have decided to follow Jesus. Yeah. Yabalemo. Yabalemo. Yeah. Are you getting that word? The song is called Karaber. Karaber means something good. Yeah, yeah, yep, 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 yeah, yep, yep. We go corner, we go zambe. Walala, mayo, mayo. Walala, mayo, mayo. I love you, mayo. I love you, mayo. Yeah. When I went to Dubai, I must bring a surprise. Hello, hello, hello. Mayo means mother. So when you love your mom, you have to say Mayo. In Digoland, they call their mom Mai. Put down your comment, please. Yeah, by the time you're dancing, remember the instrument is called nyatiti, and artist is called Makamuge. Yeah, if you like, you can shorten his Maka. Yeah. Walolo, Mayo, Mayo. I love you, Mayo. I love you, Mayo. Yeah. When I went to Dubai, I must bring you a surprise. When I went to Dubai, I must bring you a surprise, Mayo. Yeah, I'm just trying to tell my mom. I'm telling my mother. Yeah, when God opened doors and I decided I went to Dubai, I'm gonna bring her some surprise. Yeah, yeah. Ngoma, kula ngoma, miela miela, yeba, 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 ah, yeba, hello, hello. What are the islands, Mayo? Yeah, unapenda vitu choma. Mayo love some choma choma. Choma choma, choma, uzi choma. Yeah. Walolo Mayo, walolo Mayo. Yeah. Akeli ni nyako, miluongo chiwodi. I'm really, yeah. I know when you see nyako, you gonna be happy. Yeah. You're gonna be happy. Oh my. I know you have to dance with me. Put down your comment, guys. Yeah. Yoba. 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 Kanyo kanyo. Ah. Dear mama. Mayo mama. Mayo mama. Yeah, I love you, Mayo. I know you like Buddha, but I'll bring you Kamongo. Yeah. I'm telling Mayo, I'll bring some Kamongo. I know he will like Kamongo. Bololo Mayo. Keep on watching, keep on watching. Some comment. Yeah. Yeah. Champong. Mayo. Keep on watching. Keep on watching, guys. I know you are enjoying the vibe. Without music, yep, we have a big problem. Kanyo, yep, kanyo, kanyo, yeah. Atoti, ya mama ye, adundo. Can you dance? Can you yo? Can you, yeah, can you, can you? Wololo! Thank you so much, guys, for clapping. Put down your comment, please. I don't see comments, guys. You can just say hi to me. Also, it will make sense when you just say hi. Yeah, right now I just want to move to the other side. I don't know if I'll be able, but let me try. I want you to see the other guys. Yeah, I don't know, but we have to try. Everything is trial, bro. When you don't try, you will never get it. Keep on watching, guys. It's Maka Mugenda. Yeah, right now I just want to walk with you for a while. Just around 5 minutes, not 5 minutes, but around 3 minutes. I know by 3 minutes. You see, I just want to walk along. Yeah, I see. If I move, I don't know. Yeah, you see, there's a big crowd of Wazungu. You see them? Let me view for you. Yeah, those are whites going for boat ride. So I don't know where they want to. I don't know where they want to stand. I don't know this guy. Yeah, I'll continue the vibe, guys. Don't be worried. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Yeah, short minute. Keep on watching. Yeah, it's Maka. Yeah, the guy is a more energetic guy. So I have to check him. I see. It's just now coming here. So there's no need for going. Guys, we will just continue with the vibe. By the time you are continuing with the vibe, you'll see there's a boat coming. Yeah, for the whites who wait for boat ride, and right now they are back. Yeah, just continue watching. Keep on watching. I'm trying to set my stand, guys. Yeah. Now I'm really sure I'm ready. Walla la la. Omera, are you seeing me? And later you call him. Come baby Ghani, come baby Ghani, come baby Ghani, yeah. Come baby Ghani, come baby Ghani, yeah. Come baby Ghani, my Ghani, come baby Ghani, come baby Ghani. Come baby Ghani, come baby Ghani, yeah. Ghani, come baby Ghani,
Nzuri sana. Nzuri sana.
Yeah, you see them. Jambo, how you doing? I'm fine. My name is Maka. I'm playing African guitar with nyatiti. Wow. No problem, guys. Keep on watching. Why say nothing? Come baby Ghani, come baby Ghani, yeah. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you. I see this. Thank you so much for loving me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Come baby Ghani, come baby Ghani, come baby Ghani, yeah. Come baby Ghani, my goody goy. Come baby Ghani, my goody goy. Come baby Ghani, come baby Ghani, come baby Ghani, yeah. My time to say so. My time to say so. I don't wanna talk. Yeah. Nyatiti dance is a kaya dance. So itagoleko, shake your body, shake your bang bang. Blendo, kata, yeah. Ni dance kanungo, ya kanungo, yeah. Ni dance kanungo, ya kanungo. Ni dance kanungo, ya kanungo. Hello. Come baby, guy, you mad goody boy. Come baby, guy, come baby, guy, come baby, guy, yeah. Come baby, guy, jump boom. My time to say so. My time, yeah. I don't wanna talk. I don't wanna talk. Nyatiti dance is a kaya dance. So itagoleko, shake your body, shake your bang bang. Yeah. Ni dance kanungo, ya kanungo. Ni shake your kanungo, ya kanungo. Hello. Come baby Ghani, come baby Ghani, yeah, baby Ghani. Yeah. I can advertise myself fashion. I come with music compression. Nyati koru jam. So baby come, let's go. Kata, yeah. Ni dance kanungo, ya kanungo. Hello. Come baby Ghani. Hello. How are you? My name is Mark. YouTube channel. You can follow, subscribe, please. Guys, keep on watching this marker. We're just enjoying the vibe, guys. It's a very special vibe. We're doing every day. Marker. Put down your comment. I see there's someone say Sentil. Sentil say I love you. Thank you so much, Sentil. Keep on watching, Sentil. Keep on watching. Keep on watching. Yeah. I'm gonna play for the music. Soy un hombre sincero. Yo soy un hombre sincero. Dedo de crecer a palma. Y antes de morir me quiero. Guantanamera, Guarira, Guantanamera, Guantanamera, Guarira, Guantanamera. Yeah. Yo soy un hombre sincero, dedo de crecer a palma, y antes de morir me quiero. Yeah. Échame el encendido. Guantanamera, yeah. Guarira, Guantanamera, Guantanamera, Guarira, Guantanamera. Hello, Guantanamera, yeah. Guarira, Guantanamera. Guantanamera, Guarira, Guantanamera. Yeah. Yo soy un hombre sincero, dedo de crecer a palma, y antes de morir me quiero. Yeah. Good job, burning things in Guantanamera. Wow, guys, keep on watching. Yeah, this is nyatiti vibe. Are you enjoying the vibe? Yeah. Hello. How are you? Yeah, the song is called Niak. That's no job in Africa. Yeah. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na Yeah, you get on lava, baba. You get on lava, baba. Un día quiero lava, un día quiero lava, un día quiero lava, un día quiero lava. Na 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 na. Yeah. Long time ago, my grandfather told me, Waka, yeah, oh, get off when you go to school. After school, we'll get a job, yeah, we'll enjoy life. There is no job in Africa. There is no job in Africa, yeah. Are you enjoying the vibe? La 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 la. Yo quiero lava, un día quiero lava, un día quiero lava. Are you enjoying? Put down your comments. Un día quiero lava, un día quiero lava, un día quiero lava. Mama, mare, yeah. La 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 yeah. La 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 un día que no lava, ayo, un día que no lava, ayo. Ya que no lava, ayo. Yeah. White collar job is for the rich. Yeah. White collar job is for the rich. Jump on. Jingo is for the poor. Hello. Na 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 la la re. Yeah, keep on watching, guys. This is Maka Mugenda. We continue. The song was called, the song I play is called Ondiek. Yeah, yeah, new song as we time goes. Yeah. Mayo. Yep. 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 Karabe, 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 yaoi, karabe, karabe, konyo kanda. Mayo, yeah. Karabe, 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 karabe. Ando. Ini konyo joluo, ini konyo joluo. Amogi masanyo yego, yeah. Avende aseko ye. Karabe, karabe, ayo. I have decided to follow Caesar, yeah, yeah. I have decided to follow Caesar, yeah. We go corner, we go sambe, we go chini, we go dande, yeah. Mayo, yeah. Ini konyo joluo, amogi masanyo yego, vende aseko ye, yeah. Ado, karabe, 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 yeah. Karabe, karabe, konyo kanda, yeah. Mayo, are you dancing with me? Karabe, I have decided to follow Caesar. I have decided to follow Caesar. I have decided, yeah, to follow Caesar. How are you? I have a YouTube channel, bro. You can subscribe to my YouTube. It's called Maka. Yeah, Maka Mugenda. You, if you have a phone, you can type it. Yeah. Yeah. We go corner. I have decided. Yeah. Let's continue the vibe, guys. Keep on watching Smaka Mugenda right now. We are approaching sunset, guys. Are you enjoying the vibe? Number 2, in case utakuwa online, follow YouTube, subscribe. Inaitwa Maka Mugenda. Maka is M-A-K-A space Mugenda. Guys, keep on watching. Like, it's a vibe, guys. Evening vibe. Yeah. Are you enjoying the vibe? Yeah, the song is called Come Baby. Come Baby, yeah. Come Baby, come baby, got it. Come baby, got it. Yeah. Come baby, I'm a big guy. You are good boy. Hello. Yeah. It's a very nice evening. Remember, today is Monday. Yeah. Come baby, got it. Come baby, got it. Come baby, got it. My time to say so. My time suspension. I don't wanna talk to. Hello. I don't wanna talk to. I don't. Ah yeah. Daddy the dance is a kayada. So it a go shake your body, shake your bam bam. Baby girl, baby girl, yeah. My time so special. Yeah. I'm getting the same. My time so special. I don't wanna talk. Ah, yeah. I don't wanna talk. I don't wanna talk. Yeah. The dance is a kaya dance. So itagoleko. Shake your body, shake your bang bang. The dance can go. Yeah. The dance can go. The dance can go. Hello. Everybody, I'm baby got it, yeah. I'm baby got it. I'm baby got it, yeah. I'm baby, yeah. I'm baby got it, yeah. I'm baby got it. I'm baby got it, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this is how we danced long time ago. Yeah, like dressing like this. I can advertise my sound passion. I come with music compression. The nyatiti jump. So baby come, let's go, let's go, let's go. Gata, yeah, yeah. Dance kanungo, kanungo, kanungo. You have to dance kanungo, one. You dance kanungo, kanungo, kanungo. Be dance kanungo. Hello. I'm baby got it, yeah. I'm baby got it. I'm baby got it, yeah. I'm baby got it. I'm baby got it, yeah. Yeah. I'm baby got it. Jump on! Anataka kula na oh dula, anataka kula anataka kula, yeah, oh anataka kula, yeah, anataka kula, chango, oh anataka kula, yeah. I'm baby got it. I'm baby got it. I'm baby got it. Yeah. We are gonna live for the I don't know. We are gonna live for the I don't know. Hello. I can advertise on that fashion. I come with music compression. Yeah. I'm baby got it, yeah. Yeah. I'm baby got it. I'm baby got it. I'm baby got it. I'm baby got it, yeah. Jump on. Are you watching? I'm baby got it, yeah. I'm baby got it. I'm baby got it, yeah. I'm baby got it. Keep on watching, guys. Hello, how are you? I have a YouTube channel. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Watching, guys. This Maka. follow. Yeah. Do follow. Do follow. Yeah, do follow. Follow. Yeah. We go gonna hey. Yeah, continue watching this Maka Mugenda, guys. This Maka, especially for nyatiti. We are fighting here. Yeah, have some cash here, Omera. Omera, Tom, Mangodo. Have some fare here. Continue watching this Maka Mugenda. Maka is MAKS Best Mugenda with a vibe, guys. Yeah, vibe. Put down your comment, guys. I love to see you smiling, Omera. Omera! Onamo bwana. Omera vikae. Yeah, the song is called Kop Long Long Brate. Yeah. Iya wana no nyako moro kato nyingenga. Ayo. Yeah. Iya nyako no belonge maracha. Yeah. Ikati ore mare chiro. Dio mopi. Hey. Itelo kuone. Nikwelo kuone. And mangalonge maracha. Yeah, nyako no belonge maracha. Yeah. Belonge maracha. Niya wane no nyako moro kato nyingenga. Adot. Niya wane no nyako moro kato nyingenga. Halo, adot. Niya yo. Belonge maracha. Ayo. Belonge maracha. Belonge maracha. Where's Jamal? Continue watching, guys. This is a very special vibe. You're not getting this anywhere else. That's my friend. No problem. Guys, keep on watching this Maka Mugenda.
Tunaenda kuangalia sunset waje, sawa?
Hapo na take it back. Wewe kijana na grow aje. Yaje. Una grow. Yeah, guys, keep on watching this Maka Mugenda. I see some 45 people watching, man. Keep on watching. This is a very special vibe. Odiero! Jambo, mera. Odiero. Keep on watching, guys. Right now we are in vibe. We are vibing in a beach. Yeah. Mayo. With the sun. There's a whole sunset behind. Yeah. Garabe, konyo ganda. Yeah, Garabe means something good. Ilonga Odio. Hey. Angi jomo ko pira dega beach. The beach. What's your name? You know, by the time Diani. Yeah? Diani. By the time I see iPhone. I have to close my Android.
Yeah. You're the iPhone.
I have decided to sing to audio. Audio, yeah. Jasembo. Jasembo. Jasembo kakia. Jasembo bwana. Mudori ne puda kaya. Yeah. Ya very nene puda. Hello. By the time you see beautiful lady, you have to call her Adoti. Tumlilo, tumlilo. Yawa jambo. Mudori jambo. Ya very nyiri jambo. Adoti jambo. Yeah. Kanungo, 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 kanungo eteko. Kanungo eteko. Kokuro to kasianda. Hello. Kanungo, the best. I'm coming back.
Bless your soul.
I'm coming back. Okay. I read you, mama.
Bless you.
Yeah, thank you. Keep on watching, guys. This is Makamuganda. We are still vibing along the beach. You have to promote my Rastaman is a nice guy.
I've taken photos and I've taken a video. I'll take a video of you guys.
Yeah, there's a song called Oyekore. Right now. Yeah. Oyekore. Yeah. Yeah. Ajori jamto, yangoma jamgom, alo, oyekore, 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 ala di lupo, 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 oyekore, yeah. Keep on watching. When you see a young man with a sugar mommy, you have to tell her, yeah, when you see a beautiful lady with a sponsor, you have to tell her, tell her, yeah, yeah, Inye wachanda, Makamugenda, Inye wachanda, Makamugenda, Oyekore, yeah, ala di lupo, ala di lupo, ala di lupo, ala di galupo, ala di chemo, ala di gachimo, Nadwasero, yeah, ala sernyako cosa serdayo, hey, hey, mayo, 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 Kevin Ochie, Avinji Baba, hey, hey, ilungo na Kev kwa chia ya Kev, Avinji Baba, mana Kev ya mana lamba duara okukuba wodi mama Kev kwa Ochie mwana mama, Avinji champoa, Oyekore, ala kogapu, Oyekore. Yeah, Pinchanda, Pinchanda, charge my bundles. Just give me for around seconds. 1 minute. I'll be back. Don't move. Don't move. Yeah, guys, don't move away. Yeah, guys, don't move away. Right now, I'm back. Niaje Kevo. Nashukuru sana bro. Keep on watching. Keep on watching. That is how it is, guys. It's a vibe. We normally do it every day. Right now, I'm already back. Yeah, more. Hey, hey. Yeah, there's a vibe, guys. Evening vibe where I give you some vibe. Some camera. You know, right now I'm in the beach. Yeah. Yeah. Kore. Hello. Yeah, kore. Yeah. Jampung. Yeah. Jampung. Kore. Fom ni nyatiti bwana. Kevo du mama. Omer ilal. Kevo. Kore. Yeah, kore. Jampung. Kore. Kevo mi akatalo mala para jam ya. Jampung ko jamelo piera yo moro ton piera aja. Jampung. Yeah. Analal maladam chumbi bwana. Jampung. Kore. Yeah, kore. Jamgoma. Yeah, kore. Yeah. Oiga kore. Okete chunye. Yeah. Kore. Yeah, jampung. Ine. Yeah. Yeah. Jampung. You gonna dance? You gonna vibe? Hello. Aya. Yeah. Jampung. Atoti jampung. Jamberu jampung. Jati jamoko jampung. Atoti jampung. Yeah. Jampung. Atoti. Yawane no nyako moro kato nyingenga. Halo. Yawane no nyako moro kato nyingenga. Yeah. Yawane no nyako moro kato nyingenga. Yeah. Bendo nyalom nyelongo maya. Do bendo nyalom nyelongo maya. Ya beri luongi ni ngawa. What's your name? Alina. Alima. Ale.
You want to sing for me?
Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna sing to Allen.
Okay.
Yeah. I ain't gonna sing to Allen Makamungena. Yeah. First time I met Allen, Dilidani in Rwanda. More beauty. Yeah. Allen, yeah. Ananga makeup champion. Let me tell you one thing about this beautiful lady by the name Aline. You know Aline was not born Omera. The lady was created. Yeah? Champion. What's her name, bro? And you, what's her name? Mary Mama, yeah. You are Mary Mama. Yeah. You are Mary Mama. I see Aline with Mary. Omera, what's your name? Let me tell you, Victor, my brother, you are lucky, yeah, to chill with a beautiful lady like Aline, Mary, Aline, Mary, yeah. Let me tell you, Victor, if you want to be billionaire, you have to chill with a beautiful lady like Mary, yeah, Mary, yeah, Mary, yeah. Mama ni nani hapo bwana?
What is your name?
My name is Makamugenda. Hello. Omera, I have 4 names, Omera. Niko na ya M-Pesa na yangu Omera. Hey, what do you want? Hey, which one? Do you?
Let me tell you something.
Yeah?
Mr. Omera.
Yeah? Ah. Yeah, kevo. Yeah.
Omera, so happy.
You are
Happy to see you.
yeah.
Thank you for doing this.
Why oh,
It again.
are you gonna sing to me? Wow.
Interesting.
Omera. Hey, this is Makamugenda. My name is Makamugenda.
Are you live?
Yeah, I'm live on YouTube.
YouTube.
You can say hi to me.
Hi,
50.
people.
Right now I see 50 people. Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, Omera. There's a beautiful ladies here, Aline Mary. Na watembei peke yao. They have a man, Omera. Lazima kwenda bodyguard. Omera. Mary. Makamugenda. Yeah, I see some comment. What? Omera. They see. Omera, Kevin ni wacho nango. Unajua nini? Watanunulia soda bwana. Omera, sidonge. Okay, I have a YouTube channel. Follow, subscribe, watch. Keep on watching, guys. This is Makamugenda. Look the other side, you see there's some beautiful cherry. Watching, Omera. This is how it is. Keep on watching. Yeah. Wow, this is a very special evening. Hello. We are vibing, guys. Keep on watching. I see some beautiful faces coming from Beachside. You're gonna dance. If you like to dance, you can dance. I see Mommy. I see Daddy with the son and the daughter. Guys, I have a YouTube channel. You can follow, subscribe. It's called Makamugenda. Maka is M-A-K-A space Makamugenda.
Are you live?
Yeah, you can say hi to my guests. Yes, I have a lot of guests.
Hello, guests.
Wow. You see? Yeah, there's some 30. I see 39 people watching now.
Hey.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
That's my dad.
Oh, that's your dad.
Watch this guy all the time. He's great.
Wow.
Keep watching.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, there's some Joro Cherry. We don't force things, man. Yeah. Yeba. Adiambo. Omera, Kevin, najua magongo bwana, magongo be kumipenja yawa. God willing, I'll be in Magongo on Thursday bwana Kevo. Yeah. Champion. Kula ngoma bwana. Miela. Yeah, right now it's getting dark, but still we are moving with the vibe. After job session, we are just continuing with the vibe, guys. You can all love, Baba. You can all love, Baba. Na na na, yeah. You can all love, you can all love, you can all love, you can all love, mama, yeah. Long time ago, yeah. My grandfather told me, Maka, yeah. Maka went to school. I want to teach a lot to teach. Mama, Jambo, you can all love, Baba. You can all love, Baba. Yeah. Omera, kevo. Awinji wodu mama. You can all love, Baba. Yeah. Manonga mominya this school each no yawa. Matomija class a decade. Yeah. Ya class a big omija class a decade. Uniko ni baru watu wacho nango. Yeah. The stomach you gave me. I was subtracted me from school. Now I'm forced to sell a sugar cane along the Yawa in the tip of the road. They cannot laugh, they cannot laugh, they cannot laugh, they cannot laugh. White collar job is ordinary. Mjengo ilmaka mungenda. Hello. Yeah, do you know this song? Thank you so much, Kevin, for watching. Keep on watching. Yeah. Ay, tera dia bakisumo. Ay, tera dia bakisumo. Kisumo bero kisumo. Tera dia bakisumo. Yeah. Nengaino tera bigo. Ay go gare tera ga. Tera dia bakisumo. Kisumo pero kisumo itera dia pa kisumo. Hello. Anna twaro kenda ungenga mate. Anna twaro kenda ungenga mate. Inido yadala inido adunga inido. Ay, tera dia bakisumo. Ay, tera dia bakisumo. Kisumo, tera dia bakisumo. Hello. Ikuta mitu nyawida. Tera dia bakisumo. Manyiri beyo nyamila. Yeah. Yeah. Omela mitu konele. Inido, kadala inido, lunga inido, inido. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. Don't leave the session. Yeah, hello. Guys, have a YouTube channel, please. Mera. Ineno nyithindo makwayo YouTube mera. Ineno gibecho, iparo ni giricho. Kevin, ineno nyithindo go mera. Do you see that, mera? Again, ineno go maber. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. Right now, for those who will forgot right now. Yeah, keep on watching. Yeah, this is how it is, guys. Guys, keep on watching. These are very special evening. For those who went for boat right now, they are bad, oh man.
Hakuna matazame za mimi.
Yeah. Come baby girl. Come baby girl. Excuse me again. Please have a YouTube channel. Please subscribe right now. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. Yeah, there's a lot of wind, guys. Just keep on watching. Keep on watching. I'm doing some setup, guys. Without setup, no music. Traditional attire, guys. That's the main reason why I have to. Keep on watching, guys. My friends, I love you so much. I don't know how to appreciate your time. You normally watch me every day. That is a very special evening. Yeah, it's a very special evening, guys. Yeah, it's a very special evening. I don't know what to say. Keep on watching. Yeah, there's a captain. Yeah, there's a lot of captain passing along. Yeah, you know the main reason why I like this song? It's about beautiful ladies. Hello, I have a YouTube channel. Please follow YouTube, subscribe. It's called Maka Uganda. Right now I'm live. Come baby got it. Come baby got it. Come baby got it. Yeah, it's a very special video, guys. Yeah! Come baby got it. Yeah, what I have to say is just one thing. Yeah! Come baby got it. Come baby got it. Come baby got it. Yeah. guys, this is Makamukenda right now. Just have to talk some guys. Yeah. Jambo, jambo. How are you? What is Maka? Yeah, guys, keep on watching. Yeah. Now the song is called Boy. Hello. Just come so that we can sing together. I wake up in the morning. Achomo Congo. Hello. Yeah. Achomo Congo. Yeah, guys, keep on watching, guys. This is Makamukenda. I can say now, you can call it. Now it's time. I have to go with you very slowly, guys. Yeah, by the time you are watching, keep on watching. It's Makamukenda. This is how Diani is. Yeah, you see how the beautiful is the area where we are doing this vibe, guys. Keep on watching. You see, there's a lot of guys. You see them. That's the boat right, guys. I don't know what's here. So just keep on watching. You see them. Keep on watching. You see the big crowd of people who went for boat ride, and right now they are back. Back. Hello. How are you? Yeah. Hapo unapita baba. Yeah, keep on watching. Yeah, that's how it is. You see that? Yeah, that's how the place is. This is Diani Beach. I'm in Diani Beach. Also remember to follow and subscribe my YouTube channel. Please subscribe this channel, Omera. We don't want you to need 10,000 subscribers. 3,000, but it's not enough. We need 10,000 right now. This year, our target is 10,000 subscribers. Hello? Yeah. So, also, I will just play for you some music next time. I have to get the restaurant. Where's the restaurant? Take a look. You see this place is. This is a place, guys. This is a place. very cool place. Yeah, you see some cherry. This is what I do, guys. Mine is just to give you way forward how the beautiful is the place and how you see the view. This is a view, guys. This is a view of Diani Beach. Yeah, it's a very nice place to see and to relax. So you have just to, sometimes you have to travel. If you travel, you better see some places like this. Yeah, you see some places like this. Keep on watching. Yeah, I don't know why the main reason why I'm the same guy. Every time I don't see your face, you just move on. I don't know what's happening. Work on that. Away with some guys who I'm now waiting here. That's what I do. Yeah, for those who say, hello, you can just come have a YouTube channel, you can follow later. How are you? Have a channel here. You see there's a channel, my channel. Say hi to my channel. Watching this session. I don't know how to say hi to you. I appreciate your time. Thank you, Alex. Goodbye, Alex. Alex, goodbye. Alex. Mera. Guys, subscribe, bro. Subscribe to YouTube. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You'll become subscriber.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, still I'm here with the guy. This Jeruchi. Getega manoma. Yeah, you see them. But give away, man.
All right.
Goodbye, Alex.
Bye.
Okay. Thank you so much. Guys, keep on watching. I don't know what to say because you are very, it's a place, guys. Wow. It's no. The other side, guys. You see this side. The other side is called, we call it TV. The other side is called TV Kaya, man. The other side is called TV Kaya. Kaya TV, if you like. So, now it's not getting dark, man. It's not getting dark, guys. Even if I'm trying. Yeah, the song is called Karabe. Karabe means something nice. I to see. Hello. Jambo. I have a YouTube channel, madam. You can follow, subscribe, please. Maka Mkenda. Yeah, guys. Keep on watching. One katamano tilo. One wow, get to this. Yeah. There's a lot of webs, guys. Right now, I better leave the session because of time. Wow, it's now late, guys. I have to leave the session because now it's getting dark. Omera! Guys, thanks so much for watching. And now I have to leave the session. Hey,
Subscribe.
these guys are still watching because they know who is here, Omera. These guys are
Nani Gadoni.